Namaste. The question goes like this. A free vibration test is conducted on an empty elevated water tank supported on a shaft. A cable attached to the tank applies a lateral force of 80 kN and pulls the tank horizontally by 5 cm. The cable is suddenly cut and resulting free vibration is recorded. At the end of 4 complete cycles, the time is 2 seconds and amplitude is 2.5 cm. Calculate the damping ratio, natural period of undamped vibration, stiffness, weight, damping coefficient, and number of cycles required for displacement amplitude to reduce to 0.5 centimeter. Then it is given that the weight of water required to fill the tank is 40 kN. Determine the natural vibration period and damping ratio of the structure with the tank full condition. Now first we'll solve for empty tank condition. The tank was pulled by cable and then the cable was suddenly cut. This made the tank undergo free vibrations. The initial displacement of tank represented by small u1 is given in the question as 5 cm, which will be 0.05 meter. The number of cycles is given in the question as 4, we represent it by small j. The time required for 4 cycles is given as 2 seconds. The displacement after j cycles, that is after 4 cycles, is reduced to 2.5 centimeter. This is also given in the question. Now if the damping ratio is zeta, the relation between damping amplitude, number of cycles and damping ratio is given by 1 upon j natural log of u1 upon uj plus 1 is equal to 2 pi zeta divided by square root of 1 minus zeta square. We will put the values of j, u1, uj plus 1 and then we'll calculate zeta. So we get 1 upon 4 natural log of 5 upon 2.5 is equal to 2 pi zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. We cross multiply both sides, we get 0.1733 into 1 minus zeta square root is equal to 2 pi zeta. Squaring both sides, we get 0.03 into 1 minus zeta square is equal to 4 pi square zeta square. When we solve this, we get zeta is equal to 0.02756, that is 2.756%. The time required for j cycles, that is 4 cycles, is given to us in the question as 2 seconds. From this, we calculate the natural period of vibration for damped vibration Td as the ratio of the time required for j cycles divided by the number of cycles, which will be 2 by 4 equal to 0.5 seconds. Now we have a relation between the natural period of vibration for an undamped structure and the natural period of vibration for damped structure given as Td is equal to Tn upon square root of 1 minus zeta square. Here Tn is the natural period of vibration for undamped structure. So Tn will be equal to Td into square root of 1 minus zeta square equal to 5 into square root of 1 minus 0.02756 square, which will be 0.4998, nearly equal to 0.5 second. The force acting on the tank which is tending to pull it is given in the question as 80 kilonewton or 80 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton. Tank is a single degree of freedom structure whose vibration in the lateral direction is the only degree of freedom that we are considering. Now the lateral stiffness of the tank will be equal to the ratio of the lateral force upon the lateral displacement, which will be 80 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 0.05 equal to 160 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter. The natural circular frequency omega n will be 2 pi upon Tn equal to 2 pi upon 0.4998. You can also take it as 2 pi upon 0.5 equal to 12.571 radian per second. Omega n is also equal to under root k by m. From this we get mass of the tank m is equal to k upon omega n square equal to 160 into 10 raised to power 3 upon 12.571 square, which is 1012.466 kgs. The weight of the tank, capital W, will be equal to mg, where g is the gravitational acceleration equal to 9.81 meter per second square. So the weight will be 1012.466 0.466 into 9.81, which will give us 9932.289 Newton or 9.932 kilonewton. The damping coefficient small c is equal to zeta into 2 into square root of km. Putting the values, we get 0.02756 into 2 into square root of 160 into 10 raised to power 3 into 1012.466, which gives us c as 701.55 kg per second. You can also calculate c as zeta into 2m omega n. Now further we have to calculate the number of cycles required for the displacement amplitude to reduce to 0.5 centimeter. We again represent the number of cycles required by small j. The reduced amplitude is represented by uj plus 1 equal to 0.5 centimeter. We have the relation 1 upon j natural log of u1 upon uj plus 1 is equal to 2 pi zeta upon square root of 1 minus zeta square. So, j will be equal to natural log of u1 upon uj plus 1 upon 2 pi zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. Reversing the denominator, we get j is equal to natural log of 5 upon 0.5 into square root of 1 minus 0.02756 square divided by 2 pi into 0.02756. This gives us 13.292, nearly equal to 13 cycles. We come now to the calculation for filled tank. The weight of water required to fill the tank is given to us in the question as 40 kilonewton. So the total weight of the filled tank, capital W, will be equal to the weight of the empty tank, which we have already calculated, plus the weight of water, which is given to us in the question. This weight of filled tank represented by capital W will be 9.932 plus 40, which will be equal to 49.932 kilonewton. The mass of the tank small m will be capital W divided by gravitational acceleration equal to 49.932 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 9.81, which gives us 5089.908 kgs. The natural period of vibration Tn will be 2 pi under root m by k equal to 2 pi under root of 5089.908 divided by 160 into 10 raised to power 3, which will be equal to 1.121 seconds. Here we have to remember that the stiffness is not going to change for the filled tank. The damping ratio zeta will be equal to C divided by 2 into under root km equal to 701.55 divided by 2 into square root of 160 into 10 raised to power 3 into 5089.908, which gives us 0.01229 or 1.229%. We have now all our answers. For empty tank, damping ratio is equal to 0.02756 equal to 2.756%. Natural period of undamped vibration is 0.4998 or 0.5 second. Stiffness is 160 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter. Weight is 9.932 kilonewton. Damping coefficient is 701.55 kg per second. Number of cycles required for displacement amplitude to reduce to 0.5 centimeter is 13 cycles. For the filled tank, the natural period of vibration is 1.121 seconds and the damping ratio is 0.01229 equal to 1.229%. This shows that the natural period of vibration has increased for the filled tank and the damping ratio has reduced for the filled tank. This brings us to the end of the question. Thank you.